large, research-intensive university in Dublin, Ireland, known for its international standing and globally engaged student body. Founded in 1854, it's the largest university in Ireland, with over 35,000 students, including a significant number of international students. UCD is a leader in postgraduate education and research, attracting funding and collaborations worldwide. UCD originated as the Catholic University of Ireland in 1854, later becoming a constituent college of the National University of Ireland and eventually gaining independent charter status in 1908. UCD is Ireland's largest university, with a diverse student population from over 150 countries and a significant international staff. UCD is consistently ranked among the top 1% of higher education institutions worldwide, recognized for its research and graduate programs. UCD is a research-intensive university, attracting substantial funding and collaborating with institutions globally. The main UCD campus is located in Dublin and offers extensive facilities, including specialized centers for science, law, business, and student life. UCD actively engages in international partnerships and has a strong global alumni network spanning 169 countries. UCD provides a vibrant student life with opportunities for social, cultural, and sporting activities, and offers a wide range of scholarships and awards for international students. UCD graduates are highly sought after by employers, and the university offers career services and resources to support student success. UCD's mission is to contribute to the flourishing of Ireland through education, research, and innovation, and its values include excellence,